Metro Manila isn't the only place for opportunities anymore. Here in Pampanga, the work landscape is expanding. More industries, more developments, more reasons to stay. Capital Town is rising as a new business district in the north, bringing work, business, and daily life into one place. Expected to generate up to 250,000 jobs across corporate offices, BPO, retail, food, hospitality, and skilled trades. New spaces for brands to grow, creatives to collaborate, hospitality to thrive, and entrepreneurs to build. Industries once concentrated in the city are now expanding outward into the provinces. With a 30 billion pesos master plan, Capital Town is designed to keep talent within the region while attracting new ones. Pampanga isn't catching up, it's building something of its own.